everyone, welcome back. Want to avoid accidental orders with restricted vendors or discontinued products? Yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to enable warning for product and vendors inside Odoo 19 purchase module. So you'll always be alert before confirming a risky or restricted purchase. So basically, this is a helpful feature that you can see inside purchase module. So without wasting any time, let's directly dive into the purchase module for that. Okay. So we need to enable one configure option inside the settings menu. For that, let's move there. And there you can find an option under the orders, which is warning. It uses to get warnings in order for product or vendors. So let's enable this. As this similar option, you can see this similar thing inside the sales module as well as we can simply put a warning inside any sales order and a product. So in here, purchase module, there you can similarly see the same thing. Okay. So let's see how to do that. For that, let's find a vendor first. And let me give a warning inside a vendor. So let it be, okay, the wood corner. So under the nodes, there you can find an option warning on purchase order and bills. So there you can simply provide any kind of warning. So there you can find an example. This vendor is on vacation until the end of August. So let me give that this vendor is not available. Okay. Once I'm done with that, I can simply save this. And now let's move to the product side. And I want to add a warning message under the product also. Okay. For that, let me pick Equistic block screen. So for creating a warning message under a product, let me move to the purchase session. And there we can find a warning on purchase order. Okay, so you can simply provide any kind of warning inside the purchase tab. So there we can say, here is an example. There is a newer version of this product. So let me put a warning message. Is damaged. Okay. So let me put a warning message. That's because this product is basically damaged. So you can put any kind of warning message as per your concern. Okay. Now let's save this manually. Once I'm done with that, let's move to the order session and let's create a purchase order. And let me specify with the vendor, which is wood corner. So once I'm done with that, there you can find a yellow color on the top of our purchase order, which is the warning message, wood corner. This vendor is not actually available. Okay. Now let's test our product warning message as well as from here. So let me put our product, which is Equistic block screen. So, okay, let me confirm with that. So once I'm done with that, there you can find Equistic block screen in white variant. Basically, this product is damaged. Okay. So there you can find all of the things and the product is showing us a yellow color because of what? This product have some kind of warning. Okay. So that's how simply you can create a warning message under the purchase module for a particular vendor or a product. So that's all about the video. So this is a good feature that you can use inside any purchase order. So I'll hope you all understood this video. So I'll be back with another video and another tip inside the purchase module. Tip that. Bye-bye.